Welcome to Secura Lid's Wheelie Bin Latch and Wheelie Bin Lock installation. Start by opening your bin lid. Take the latch piece and position it on the upper lip of your bin as shown. Take one self-drilling screw and fix it through one hole of the latch down into the bin using a drill with a Phillips bit attached. Do not fix it all the way in with the drill. Alternatively to using a drill with Phillips bit attached, you may also drill a 3mm or smaller pilot hole and then fix the screw down using a Phillips head screwdriver. Fix the screws down firmly by hand, but do not over tighten, or you may strip the thread you have created. If you strip the thread accidentally, reposition the latch with new holes. Now, close your bin lid. Pull the bin lid towards the latch as far as possible. Place the main part over the latch by holding the arm out and then letting it go. Ensure the underside housing is touching the latch as indicated by the yellow arrow. Using a 5mm drill bit, drill a hole through the centre of one of the elongated holes. Push one of the bolts through the hole. Now repeat with the other two holes. Screw a flange nut onto each of the bolts from under the lid. Tighten firmly using a Phillips head screwdriver and 8mm spanner. Ensure the main part moves smoothly past the latch in operation. If they interfere, loosen the flange nuts and move the main part back or forth to the desired result and then retighten. You have completed the installation.